Hello. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to run tests from the recorder in AltTester Desktop. Let's explore the necessary steps. As prerequisites, you'll need to have an instrumented build of the app you want to run your tests on, making sure that you have a Pro or Enterprise license active and the AltTester Desktop running and connected to the instrumented app. First, you have to record a test in AltTester Desktop. To do this, choose the Recorder tab, select the preferred language, and hit Start Recording. We used Python for this tutorial, which is the default language. Let's record a simple test. First, we load the desired scene from Manage Scenes. Then we'll use the click to press action to click the Start button in the screenshot area. Next, we want to verify that the Run button is present. To do this, we'll use the Select Object action to click on the button, which will also highlight it in the Objects Hierarchy area. Then, in the Element Details area, we'll choose the Unity Engine UI button component, and check inside Properties to ensure it's enabled. We can also add a quick assertion to ensure the button's text matches the expected value. Select the text element in the Objects Hierarchy area, then simply click on the text label in the Element Details area. Finish recording by pressing the red recording button. If you selected a language other than Python or Robot, switching to it will enable the test replay, and a Run button will appear. Now let's make sure that the scene where the test starts is loaded, but we already did that at the beginning of the recording. Let's run the test using the Run button. If it's your first run from AltTester Desktop, generating the setup on your computer will take a couple of seconds. After executing the test, the result will appear in the Output section. Both recorded steps and output sections have buttons for copying or deleting their content. Deletion affects the sections only, not the files saved on the computer. The Settings page provides an option to change the save location for replayed tests and outputs. In the /tests/history/folder, you'll find time-stamped subfolders, each containing the test and output files for all replayed tests. For more insights on AltTester and game test automation, follow our channels.